Burkina Faso has just made history. While many African nations remain trapped in the cycle of importing essential goods, one leader has had enough. Captain Ibrahim Traoré, the man on a mission to make Burkina Faso self-sufficient, has launched a game-changer. Faso Kossam, the state-owned milk company, is revolutionizing the dairy industry in Africa. And trust me, this is just the beginning. Brothers and sisters, this is what real leadership looks like. In December 2024, Faso Kossam was born, fully owned by the Burkinabe state, with a capital of 100 million CFA francs. And today, it is producing high-quality dairy products, right here in Africa. No more dependency on Western imports. No more billions wasted on foreign milk. This is African independence in action. Imagine this. Burkina Faso was spending nearly 12 billion CFA francs every year importing dairy products. But not anymore. Faso Kossam is keeping that money right where it belongs, within the country, empowering local farmers, and creating thousands of jobs. This is about dignity. This is about Africa feeding itself. And guess what? The impact is already spreading. Faso Kossam started with a processing unit in Ouagadougou's Sissin district, handling 500 liters of milk per day. But that was just the first step. New facilities are being built in Faso Kossam, with a capacity of 3,000 liters daily. Bobo-Dioulasso is next, followed by Kuber and Dori. This is a dairy revolution. And let's be honest, this isn't just about milk. This is a blueprint for Africa's future. Burkina Faso is showing the way. Economic independence, job creation, high-quality products, all made in Africa. Why should Africa continue importing milk when we have the land, the farmers, and the resources to produce our own? Faso Kossam is proving that Africa can and must produce what it eats. If Burkina Faso can do it, what's stopping the rest of the continent? Leaders of Africa, are you watching? Are you listening? Your people deserve better. Instead of spending billions on foreign milk, invest in your farmers. Build your own dairy industries. Empower your people. Food sovereignty is the foundation of real independence. And Faso Kossam is just the beginning. This is about breaking free from economic slavery. It's about pride, power, and prosperity for Africa. Captain Ibrahim Traoré is not just the president of Burkina Faso. He is a visionary, a leader, a warrior for African self-sufficiency. While others beg for aid, he is building industries. While others stay dependent, he is leading the charge toward food independence. This is not just about milk. This is about Africa reclaiming its future. Faso Kossam is a movement, a revolution, a declaration of true independence. The question is, who will follow? Long live Faso Kossam. Long live African self-sufficiency. Long live Captain Ibrahim Traoré. The revolution has begun. Will you be part of it? Keep supporting the channel by liking, commenting, and subscribing. Your engagement helps us bring you more fascinating stories about Africa. Thanks for watching.